this Tei guy is either lying ataupun he's telling the truth. Either way, he's making a bold claim. Now, on this premise alone, this already warrants an investigation by the MACC against the Secretary of the PM. PM kalau dengar, PM kata apa? PM not interested. Or now PM will use all the agencies whatever to shut Tei up. This is where we can see what PMX is made of. This is where we can see now what kind of governance we have. We expect MACC to investigate whatever Tei says. Kalau Tei menipu, you charge Tei and you make him suffer the penance of membuat fitnah. If there is truth, there should be money trails that can be proven. I expect the police to do their job and recommend prosecution to the prosecution, and siapa yang corrupt patut be prosecuted. This news comes right after the time when the news came out about the surat sokongan, which PM has even acknowledged. Bagi amaran keras, marah, tegas. Okay, fine. Masa tu tak cerita dia terima duit ke tak. Sekarang ada cerita dia terima duit. Has to be investigated. Be fair to the Shamsul guy also. He's got to be tested, and kalau dia kena charge, he's got a right to defend himself. Let the law run its course. Let the court do whatever they need to do. Let the prosecution investigate. There should not be any fear or favor. Do what is fair. Kalau this guy is corrupt, he should be nailed. Because at the end of the day, kalau kita anti-corruption, belah sini ke, belah sana ke, it should not matter. And PM kata macam mana kan? Belah sini atau belah sana, go after corruption. So now macam ni, is he going to protect his loyalist? This is where we will see what PM is made of. Based on the track record dengan Zahid, it's not so good so far lah. But he can show the kind of mettle he is based on how he reacts to all these new allegations with the backdrop of surat support already keluar from the Shamsul.
An invitation, International Day of Persons with Disabilities, Wednesday, 3rd December 2025, 1200 to 14:30 hours. Venue, MAB Canteen, Malaysian Association for the Blind, MAB Complex. Address, Jalan Tebing, off Jalan Tun Sambanthan, 4 Brickfields, 50470 Kuala Lumpur. To commemorate the International Day of Persons with Disabilities this year, I am hosting an informal roundtable luncheon to discuss universal design. Panelists will include my friends with various disabilities, including vision impairment, physical disability, and hearing impairment, as well as my architect and lawyer friends. This informal discussion on universal design will be of interest to architects, town planners, civil engineers, quantity surveyors, advocates for accessibility and inclusivity, persons with disabilities, PWD, as well as caregivers and students of architecture and design. For a totally immersive experience, all sighted persons will be blindfolded throughout the event. Lunch will consist of a whole food, plant-based WFPB menu curated by me. This event is also open to members of the public. Attendance is by donation for able-bodied and sighted persons. Hopefully, your contribution will cover the cost of your lunch, as well as that of a PWD. Seating is limited, and at the moment there are 15 places left. To confirm your attendance, please make your voluntary contribution by scanning the QR code. If you're unable to attend but wish to support this event, feel free to make a small donation, not more than 5% of your monthly income. Any excess funds will go towards ongoing treatments to restore my vision. We will have a fruitful and meaningful discussion that will raise awareness of the need for universal design for PWD. Universal design. For background information on universal design, I have made several videos. Links are in the video description below. Aslan Adnan MA, VIP founder, Green Party of Malaysia.
International Day of Persons with Disabilities, Wednesday, 3rd of December 2025. Every year, 3rd of December is officially recognized by the United Nations as the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. It has been observed globally since its proclamation in 1992 under UN General Assembly Resolution 4730. The day promotes understanding of disability issues, supports the dignity, rights, and well-being of persons with disabilities, and raises awareness of the importance of inclusion in all spheres of life: political, social, economic, and cultural.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.